Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I am up to day 5 in the Halloween Advents. I hope you've been enjoying seeing them so far. I am like mega excited. I love these. These are so fun. So today we will start with our lather, and it's in this little box. So here we go. And it is the stitch marker that matches the sticker we got yesterday. So, oh, there it is. It's the stitch marker. And now we have Paw Ply. And here it is, day 5. And I'm excited. So, burr, burr, burr. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Alright, so let's do our recap like we do. So we have, let's see, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold it all. We'll see. We have these, I can get them up. I'm trying to hold them. So we have 2 stitch markers and 2 yarns and a hook for lather. It's days 1 through 5. And for Paw Ply, get them all out of the, get them all out of my skull. That sounds so funny. And today's, these are the ones for Paw Ply. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to start using them. They are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying doing this with me. Oh, the skull's making me echo. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.